नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू चार्ट्स पे चर्चा। आज के एपिसोड में हम निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी दोनों को डिस्कस करेंगे क्योंकि दोनों ऑल टाइम हाई पर हैं। आनंद इज आल्सो ऑन दिस चर्चा। ही इज लॉग्ड इन फ्रॉम an airport, so he will have to look at the charts that I share, and Anand has something important to say. So without wasting any time, let me put up the chart of Nifty first. High volumes से
अगर आपको याद हो 2 weeks बैक के वीडियो में कहा था कि 17500 इज इंपॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस। निफ्टी हैज मेट ऑल द टारगेट्स, सो पॉसिबिलिटी एक रिवर्सल आना चाहिए, एक डिप आना चाहिए। मेजर टॉप भले ना बनाए, टेम्पररी टॉप का चांस दिख रहा था, मगर मार्केट हैड समथिंग एल्स इन इट्स माइंड। इट हैज रैलीड अवे 2 weeks, अप्रोक्सीमेट 2 weeks मार्केट ने टाइम पास किया है, बट all of a sudden we have seen market rallying on Thursday, Friday above 17500. And Friday के दिन अगर ऑब्जर्व करो, these volumes are above 1.2 crore volumes near about. It is highest since June mid. जून के मिड में जो हाईएस्ट वॉल्यूम्स आए थे, इफ यू कैन पॉइंट आउट विजय,
ये अगस्त में आए थे। यहाँ ये अगस्त में आए थे,
उसके पहले और जून में वॉल्यूम
यहाँ पे 18 जून।
yeah exactly, those volumes से highest volumes और second highest volume you can say after June highest volume are this, so which means एक major price and volume action हुआ है। if you observe volume में very high volumes, price has given a good spike up and reversal, closing in a red with a negative close, absolute close भी negative है। now if we compare this with bank nifty, जब बैंक निफ्टी में आएंगे वहां पे एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ दोनों के बीच में सिग्निफिकेंस कितना डिफरेंस है। सो एज पर दिस निफ्टी फ्यूचर चार्ट, वन थिंग लुक्स क्लियर इज until Friday's highs are crossed, it is time to be very cautious over here. Until Friday's highs gets crossed, time to be very cautious. Maybe we may get a dip towards the immediate swing lows of 17,250, 170, 180 wala, and that is very critical support. If that goes, we may see a down move all the way towards 16,800, 500 zone. And don't be surprised if Nifty goes and tests this 16,800 zone, 800, 500 levels, this zone within 5 to 7 sessions, once only if 17,250 is given away. 180, sorry, not 250, 180. If 17,180 goes, the possibility of 16,800, 500 zone test maybe within 5 to 7 session max. And immediate important support, as I have already tweeted, 17,500. 17,500 जाता है, a good chance to go for a short trade. Look for a stop loss of, have a stop loss of 17,650 and 17,650 closing basis, and look for the targets all the way towards 16,900, 800 with immediate intermediate support at 17,180, 250 zone. This is the Nifty pattern. Because of the important pattern being played on Friday, I wanted to log in even though I'm traveling, so that everyone benefits. And the appreciation we get from our audience, that's the motivation to participate even if I'm traveling. Over to you, Vijay.
या वॉल्यूम्स के हिसाब से तो कहानी आनंद तुमने बता ही दिया, बहुत क्लियर है। बट मैं भी वही नोटिस कर रहा था कि काफी अच्छे वॉल्यूम्स थे फ्राइडे। गोइंग बैक टू द स्पॉट चार्ट, ये वेव काउंट लास्ट वीक भी हमने डिस्कस किया था। I'll go to the daily chart. तो अगर फोर्थ वेव यहाँ खत्म हुआ अप्रैल में, so we can count this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, where 5 was quite extended, but एक possibility की बात जो मैंने last time करी थी वो ये था कि what if this is 1 2 3 4 5 एक impulse यहाँ खत्म हो गया है, and then what if this entire flat action was 2, ये मैंने brackets में alternate count दिया है, which means this whole action that is happening right now could be bracket 3. ये एक possibility मैंने डिस्कस किया था. अब जैसा भी हो, एक इंपॉर्टेंट वेव तो खत्म होता हुआ दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. अब ये 3 ब्रैकेट है या कंप्लीटली वेव 5 रोमन ही खत्म हो गया है, ये थोड़े दिनों में पता चल जाएगा. इट्स ऑलवेज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू से विद 100% सर्टेनिटी. So what I do is I will keep Friday's high as a stop loss and look for pair trades trading perspective से. अभी इसमें हम अगर आर्ली स्केल में जाके देखते तो हमें ये दिखता है कि फ्राइडे के दिन the fall stopped at the 20-hour moving average. अगर ये स्लाइड करना कंटिन्यू करेगा मंडे को तो ये गैप जल्दी से फिल कर देगा. Even if it bounces back a little bit, I would personally look at shorting the index. अब ये कहाँ तक गिर सकता है, ये चाहे 3 ब्रैकेट हो या रोमन 5 हो, it doesn't really matter. We should look at least a short-term target of this consolidation. So, ये जो 3-4 कैंडल्स बने हैं, which is approximately 17,250, 17,420, उसके बीच में ये है immediate target. But if this is really Roman 5 and not bracket 3, I would look at Nifty sliding all the way down to this region. Previous, wave 4, 15,500 के आसपास आता है. वो काफी दूर है अभी. So let's go step by step. अगर मैं सिंपली डेली स्केल पे देखूं तो 20-day मूविंग एवरेज है अभी 17,537, दिस रेड लाइन. 17,500 तक तो we can definitely expect this correction, and if it is stronger correction, it can go all the way to the 40-day moving average, which is at 16,600. But first target is this red line around 17,500, if not lower. The other thing to remember, on monthly scale, we are very close to that big round number 18,000, almost. क्या 17,792 था स्पॉट पे, तो 200 पॉइंट रह गए हैं. Sensex, if you look at Sensex, we have achieved the big round number of 60,000, 59,737. Again, this is very close to the big round number, so it is definitely time to be cautious, especially trading perspective से. एंड जो भी लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट्स अगर इंडेक्स स्टॉक्स में हैं, ठीक ठाक गेन्स बन रहे हैं, तो इट इज बेटर टू बुक एटलीस्ट अ गुड पोर्शन ऑफ इट एंड वेट फॉर द मार्केट टू शो इट्स हैंड. वी कैन ऑलवेज गेट बैक इनटू द मार्केट, वो हमेशा मौका देता है. सो दिस इज ऑन निफ्टी.
One more thing I would like to add, Vijay, over here. In the Nifty chart, if you come back to Nifty chart once.
Monthly.
Yeah. If you remember, move to daily chart, Nifty daily. Yep. अगर याद हो 2 weeks पहले के वीडियो में कहा था कि एक EMA टेस्ट ड्यू है, and there is a webinar I'll be doing after a couple of weeks. Already I have tweeted on that. The 100 EMA test for Nifty is due, and if you look at the 100 EMA as of now, it is somewhere around 16,000, a gap of around 1,800 points. No doubt 100 EMA will move higher, and price can consolidate over here or can pull back towards 100 EMA or can still rally, pulling 100 EMA in exponential way high side. But one thing, as per my experience of retest of these 100 EMAs and all, that is reversal to main strategies which I follow. Market may not find it easy to sustain around 18,000 or above that. So any upside towards 18,000 may see selling pressure.
Correct.
This is an interesting point over here.
100 EMA, 16,000 के आसपास.
Somewhere around 16,000. I remember the level even though I'm traveling. मेरे को याद है जहाँ है वो main reversion तो one of the I can say 98% probable trade opportunities. So I remember those levels. Even if you see 15 EMA test is due, which may happen coming couple of days. In fact, I won't be surprised if Nifty tests 15 EMA in couple of days, or it may take 3-4 days more time and test 20 EMA instead of 15 EMA. Both the tests are due. 20 EMA को टेस्ट किया हुआ बहुत टाइम हो चुका है. So ultimately जो sudden selling जो Friday दिखा है, it was expected on two counts. One main reversal and other one was some astro reason because of Friday Ekadashi. So I was prepared for the trade opportunity of short in the open even though I was traveling. So I am holding shorts in Nifty as of now. This is my important disclaimer, and I will be continuing to hold them until 15-20 EMA, 15 or 20 EMA gets tested. I have my hedge in place.
Yeah.
This is my trade disclosure. Yeah, let's move to Bank Nifty.
I think one more thing worth noticing is ये 100 EMA जो है September 2020 से ब्रेक नहीं हुआ है, तो एक साल पूरा निकल गया है. September 2020 यहाँ पे.
मगर वो अप्रैल में टेस्ट किया था.
हाँ, टेस्ट किया but ब्रेक नहीं हुआ. ब्रेक नहीं हुआ था.
The trend is up move was strong. ब्रेक नहीं करेगा.
So let's move to Bank Nifty. You want to see the futures chart?
Future.
So ये रहा Bank Nifty का futures chart with volume. Again, good volumes.
Observe the significance and recall what we have seen in the Nifty. Nifty we have seen the volumes highest since June, but Bank Nifty अगस्त में हाई वॉल्यूम्स आए थे, उसके बाद क्या हाई वॉल्यूम है. एंड अगस्त के हाई वॉल्यूम्स आने के बाद में बैंक निफ्टी एक फॉलो थ्रू अच्छा नहीं दिया. इट वेंट इनटू कंसोलिडेशन मोड एंड इट हैज अगेन गिवन सम गुड वॉल्यूम्स राइट नाउ. बट इंटरेस्टिंग इज द ऑब्जर्व द क्लोज ऑफ द निफ्टी फ्यूचर वाज नेगेटिव. आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट क्लोज, नॉट ऑफ कैंडल. एब्सोल्यूट क्लोज वाज नेगेटिव, कैंडल क्लोज दोनों का रेड है, नो डाउट. But absolute close of Bank Nifty is positive. Something divergence seen in Nifty and Bank Nifty, which indicates there is a possibility Nifty may go in a consolidation mode and Bank Nifty might outperform. This looks like one possibility to me because September के highest volume, August के जो volumes आए थे breakout candle के, उसके बाद के highest volume, there was no follow through to August volumes. बट कंसोलिडेशन जाने के बाद वो ब्रेकआउट दिया जो कंसोलिडेशन जोन का, एंड नाउ अगेन कंसोलिडेशन पुल बैक एंड देन ब्रेकआउट, गुड वॉल्यूम्स. सो एनी फॉलो थ्रू अबव फ्राइडेज हाई वी मे सी सिंगल डे 800,000 पॉइंट्स मूव अगेन. आई वोंट बी सरप्राइज्ड टू सी 800,000 पॉइंट मूव इन बैंक निफ्टी once Friday's highs above it sustains. These volumes will have its effect. So alternatively, if Bank Nifty outperforms, if someone is looking for a bearish opportunity in the market, look at what is going to underperform to keep Nifty in a range. And whether it's IT or whether it's RIL or whether it's FMCG, anything, metals. But metals do not carry such high weightage. So whatever, identify the trade opportunity. If there is someone is a perma bear looking for an opportunity, I would give a hint, look at the IT sector. It is likely to be underperforming going ahead if Bank Nifty outperforms, and the patterns of stocks which Vijay will show you right now, couple of stocks, you can even look at them, Infosys, TCS or likes, which are showing signs of some caution. They may not correct much, but at least they show likely of consolidation ahead or some pullback ahead in them. And Nifty IT index also, if you see, you can see, have a look at that. This is
that is what I was showing. This is Nifty IT. This is daily chart. So अभी तक तो ये चैनल
Look at the pattern.
ऊपर गया था, but we'll have to see if it comes back into the channel, then definitely look at
So
it.
interesting pattern ahead actual में Bank Nifty, and if at all Bank Nifty does not outperforms, then
Yeah.
Nifty may move towards your target. I think around 16,400 वाला.
Correct.
Yeah, शायद वो टारगेट जल्दी आ जाए.
Correct.
Anyways, निफ्टी का चार्ट देखना है निफ्टी के लिए, ट्रेडिंग के लिए, और बैंक निफ्टी का चार्ट बैंक निफ्टी ट्रेडिंग के लिए. We cannot combine both and trade
Correct.
one thing.
Bank Nifty, I think in the last video, I started getting a bit skeptical about it. क्योंकि ये correction से double time लगा ऊपर आने में. But the last week's candle is it looks good, and it made a all-time high. Bank Nifty ने all-time high.
Actually, Bank Nifty ने all-time high close भी दिया है, which majority देख लो, इसका कहीं भी सोशल मीडिया पे टॉप नहीं है.
Correct.
All-time high close weekly पे देना is an indirectly showing a sign of strength. On a weekly scale, if you're getting all-time high close, should not be ignored.
Correct. I think once it clears 38,500, it can really fly. अब ये
levels बनते रहेंगे.
October
Main thing is we need to look at the support.
Correct.
Main thing is we need to look at the support. Levels बनते रहेंगे. Levels तो बनेगा, एक pullback आएगा, new level बनेगा, new pullback आएगा. It's part of the bull market. कि resistance gets crossed, new supports gets formed. So immediate support to look at for Bank Nifty is Friday's lows around 37,500, and if that goes, major support 36,000, the breakout level. 36,000 is the critical.
Correct. Yeah. So अभी तक ये जो मेरा प्राइमरी वेव काउंट है वो वैलिड है. Where I said this is 1 2, this is another 1 2, and it is subdividing. अभी तक तो ये वैलिड है until it breaks down below this level. अगर ये लेवल के नीचे आ गया बैंक निफ्टी तो then we'll have to consider it the bearish alternative जहाँ पे मैंने ये A और ये B लगाया है. So let's see what happens because Bank Nifty is at a very interesting juncture, and even ये जो rising channel है उसके ऊपर push किया है Friday के दिन. So that is point worth noting. And last week के वीडियो में मैंने ये भी कहा था कि we should keep an eye on the PSU Bank Index. Right.
That's the beauty actual में.
फ्राइडे के दिन करेक्शन जरूर आया है बैंक पीएसयू बैंक इंडेक्स में, बट द एक्शन ऑन Wednesday and Thursday was extremely positive. If you see it.
Can you plot 200 DMA on weekly of PSU Bank, Vijay?
200 DMA. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Something interesting I'll show you there.
Pink line. Yeah.
Kudika.
This is resistance. 200
The
DMA.
magenta line, pink line, whatever you call it.
Correct.
Look at it. 4 times it got rejected, and Friday was the 5th attempt. It has crossed that and closed exactly at that.
Correct. Exactly at that level. And also, this is to be remembered. ये high volume zone है. ये जो high volume side है.
Consolidation zone.
Correct. February में. So we are trying to clear that. I think once it goes above it, ये एकदम rocket
this
explosive.
This can be a mind-blowing opportunity. If this clears Friday's highs, this can give an excellent opportunity.
Correct. In fact,
and
I
the
think
move can be very fast because 4 attempts of 200 DMA cross failing. 5th attempt, it can be violent one. It can turn out to be violent one. Don't be surprised if it gives a 10 to 15% kind of move in very short period. PSU Bank, and because it is staring at a medium term to long term breakout, not just short term. Even because this is a weekly chart crossing 200 DMA, sorry, 200 weekly moving average, not
Weekly.
DMA. Yeah, 200 weekly moving average, and after a good consolidation of 5 to 6 months
Yeah.
and 4 to 5 attempts, it itself shows once it gets crossed, the strength from medium to long term is going to change in this. So this can be an excellent medium term investment opportunity also. PSU banks, not to be missed. No matter whatever Nifty, Bank Nifty might be doing, once this gives a breakout, there will be pullbacks, there won't be vertical rise, but this will be trying to do continuous outperforming. What IT has done previously, such kind of moves we may see in public sector banks. And one of the best among them, which looks quite good, is SBI, which majority might have missed once again because of the Friday sudden down move. बहुत से लोग bearish mode में आ गए होंगे. If you can place SBI chart, Vijay,
Yeah.
weekly chart of SBI shows it has given a breakout above consolidation of 440 to 400. So
Yeah, 100%.
40 points का consolidation का breakout दिया है इसने on a weekly scale, which has a target around 480 immediate basis.
Yeah. काफी अच्छा है.
Interesting times. Interesting times ahead. PSU
Yeah.
bank showing good, bank Nifty showing good, but Nifty showing caution. Let's see what happens.
Interesting. In fact, इसमें I think 440 calls paid off very well.
Yeah.
इतने दिन पकाया जरूर, but उसके बाद 2 दिन में काम कर गया पूरा. Yeah, so this is on Bank Nifty. Anything else to add, Anand?
No, that's it from us for this week. Thanks to
Yeah.
Jaipur. Thanks everyone for watching. And hopefully next time I'll be back at hometown with
Yes.
some interesting trade ideas because it will be
Yes.
a pre-expiry
Yeah.
session.
Yeah.
So that's it from us for this week. Hope you guys like. Do share your comments. How do you like my inputs without charts? That's it from me. Signing
Good.
off from Jaipur.
Yeah. Have a safe flight, Anand.
Thank you, Vijay.
See you guys on the next video. Bye.